Hey there, gang. Jan Anderson here. How's it going? I thought today we would do another character exploration. Okay, I haven't done one of those for a little while, and I'm also trying. I'm trying a new recording, video recording setup here, a new program that I haven't had much luck with before. I think I've got it figured out. So let's cross our fingers and hope it works. Anyway, so let's see what we've got for today. Let's take a look at the script. Okay. Let's see. We've got something. Well, he's simply called European Criminal Mastermind. The background here is it's the classic story of a very bright kid brought up in a rough part of town, but still made it through university. He is very intelligent with an air of sophistication, yet brutal to anyone who stands in his way. Ooh, I like it. Let's take a look at his picture here. Dark, foreboding, ruggedly handsome, chiseled features. I don't think I'd want to mess with this guy. But he's obviously dressed very nicely. He almost looks a little mafioso, kind of. Just, it's hard to say. Very conservative looking, but yeah, you don't want to be on the wrong side of this guy or his organization. So let me bring myself back in here and let's try this a couple different ways. I think I'm first going to try this with a kind of a thicker, maybe European or Eastern European accent. Not really Russian, but something Slavic-ish. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to kind of riff with it a little bit and see how this goes. Okay? All right, let's go. You mistake civility for weakness, a common error among men who think brute force equals power. I don't raise my voice. I don't threaten. I simply act. And by the time you realize the rules have changed, I've already written new ones. You see, chaos is loud, but control is silent. It moves through bank accounts, government files, family dinners. You won't hear me coming, but you'll feel it. The way one feels a shadow fall before the knife cuts. I didn't climb to the top by being kind. I climbed because it was necessary. And now you're in my world. So tell me, will you be useful, or will you simply vanish and be forgotten? Kind of something like that. I think I might have shifted my performance a little bit. Obviously, I haven't really prepared deeply for this, but my performance might have shifted a little bit about halfway through. Not really sure, but now I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try for, not so deep and husky sounding. Now I'm going to try for a little more Western European, maybe even English-ish. Slightly more sophisticated sounding, maybe. Sophisticated sounding. What does that even mean? So let's try this a different way and see how it goes. You mistake civility for weakness, a common error among men who think brute force equals power. I don't raise my voice. I don't threaten. I simply act. And by the time you realize the rules have changed, I've already written new ones. You see, chaos is loud, but control is silent. It moves through bank accounts, government files, family dinners. You won't hear me coming, but you'll feel it. The way one feels a shadow fall before the knife cuts. I didn't climb to the top by being kind. I climbed because it was necessary. And now you're in my world. So tell me, Will you be useful, or will you simply vanish and be forgotten? Okay, well, there's a couple tries. I love this kind of character. You know, there's so much that you can bring to it. I like it when the brief is short and to the point without going into every little detail. It allows us to bring our own imaginations to it, and that's where the fun is. You get to bring, you get to help write the character in essence. You know what I mean? So anyway, I just thought I'd share that today. And I hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to ask questions and leave comments below. Tomorrow, live stream, 1:30 p.m. Pacific time. That's Tuesday the 6th, 1:30 p.m. Pacific time. I hope to see you there. You're free to bring questions and comments there too. So anyway, I hope this was as fun for you as it was for me to do. And well, until next time, take it easy.